Hello and welcome to PA112. We are in week 9 and we are finishing up the 10 weeks in this course. We have a couple of things due this week, not very much due next week, really a catch-up week. Remember, you only have about 4 days in that week to get things done. So I want to make sure you get everything you need to get done this week and then just make up work next week. Starting on discussion 9, you're talking about really making positive corrections to people who might be learning to type and what to say to them to not make them angry, especially if it's an adult and they're just learning to type and they're trying to do things right, and maybe it's a pharmacy technician just learning the system. That can be very, very hard for somebody, and so it can make it a little very awkward to make positive applications to them. So that's all about what your discussion is about. Make sure you read that over so that you can then answer appropriately. Your assignment is about digital citizenship. It starts in the back of your book on reference to digital citizenship. This is a new subject for me, actually, and it says that they don't teach it in grades K through 12. And so you'll need to read the back of your book before you start your assignment. But also, I'd like for you to use different references. Maybe Google something, use a different book, use a different textbook on how to, on a little bit more information on digital citizenship, because then you are required to do a 10-page PowerPoint on digital citizenship. One page can be obviously your works cited, and I want your works cited to be more than just your textbook. I want you to Google this. I want you to find some more references so that then you can make your PowerPoint presentation interesting. Remember, don't just use words, use pictures, use different bold headings. Make sure that you read about it so that you can really get some information about how to make that PowerPoint look correct. If you need some feedback or you'd like me to take a look at it before you actually turn it in, let me know. You can email it to me and I can look at it. Otherwise, 10 pages, PowerPoint. One can be works cited, the other 9, the other one can be a title page, so the other 8 could be information about digital citizenship. You also have some typing practice that is due this week. It is on that speed typing. Most of you are turning it in